The dive site where I'm standing right now is called Bachelor's Beach. And Bachelor's Beach is a bit of a southern dive site, but it's really close to city center Kralendijk. And I got some instructions how I can find a seahorse, so we're gonna check that out. At Bachelor's Beach you can park your car straight next to the stairs that you take to go into the water. Keep in mind that you do not take the super steep step as you can see here. Instead, you actually go around the rock on your left side, like Esther will show you here. And that way you can just easily stop down in the sand and then enter the water. It's a very easy entry, and then it's time to go diving. Visit Bonaire Digital for information about the dive sites on Bonaire with videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe right here on my YouTube channel. And if you like to see some more scuba diving videos, which I totally understand, then make sure to check them out here and here.